Hi everyone, today I want to share is about MUET. The code for MUET writing is 800/4. Today I want to share is only task 2. It's about extended writing, only for introduction. In task 2, extended writing, the minimum for you to write is 5 paragraphs. There is first paragraph, introduction, followed by 3 body paragraphs. Then we have conclusions. The suggestions time given for you to write for extended writing is 50 minutes. The mark for the extended writing is 60 mark per 90 mark. Okay, types of writing in task 2 are divided into 3 types. First is discursive essay. Second, argumentative essay, followed by third, problem solution essay. This is the example of the questions taken by past year question in 2024. Task 2. The question given, they will give you the instructions. You are advised to spend about 15 minutes on this task. They will give you the situations. During a recent seminar in school, the guest speaker shared his experience of taking a 1-year break to travel and work before enrolling in a university. The following comment was made by the speaker. So we should focus is this part, the question. Students should take a gap year before enrolling in universities. This is the question that we need to focus. They also will show that write an essay expensive. Your opinion on the comment. Write at least 250 words. At least 250 words. So minimum is 250 words. The question given we should focus is students should take a gap year before enrolling in university. So student is the subject. Should take a gap year before enrolling in university. This is the question, the example of the question. Okay, what should be done before you start to write the essay? First, you need to focus and understand on the keywords. There is subject and object. You cannot change the subject and the object. For example, just now, the question just now given is student. Students should take a gap year before enrolling in university. So the subject is students. You cannot change students to pupils, people, teenager. Must focus based on the question. So the subject, the keywords that you can use is only students. The object given should take a gap year before enrolling in university. So cannot change the object too. So for example, university, you cannot change to college. Must follow the keywords from the question. Second, you need to decide your stand. Either you agree or disagree or partially agree. You can decide your stand. Last, you need to list down your reason. Your reason why you agree with the question given or why you disagree with the statement given. Then you need to list out your reason. How to write the introductions? They are divided into 3 parts. First is general statement. General statement actually is a hook for you to start the introduction. General statement is how you can attract the reader to read your essay with several techniques, followed by specific statement or stand. Specific statement or stand is you agree or disagree, or you partially agree with the statement given. So that is specific statement or stand. Last is thesis statement. Thesis statement is you need to list down 3 ideas or 3 reasons based on your specific statement. So we can conclude that introductions can divide into 3 parts. That is G, S, T. G, general statement. S, specific statement or stand. T, thesis statement. To write a good introduction, you must write a strong thesis statement and divide into 3 reasons or 3 topic sentences based on your specific statement. Based on the general statement just now, I list down 7 types on how to write general statement. You can either choose only one. First, proverb. You can use proverb to start to write the general statement. Second, you can ask questions and provide the answer to start general statement. Third, use quoted from famous people saying to write your general statement. Fourth, use statistic to write general statement. Number 5, newspaper headline. Quoted the newspaper headline to start write your general statement. 6, you can list out the examples to write your general statement. And last one is the scenario. You can show the scenario or the current issues to write your general statement. Okay, now I show you how to write general statement. Based on the question given, money is the key to happiness. Do you agree? Discuss. You should write at least 250 words. So I show how to use proverb as your general statement. The example given, you can see there. Money is the key to happiness. This bold assertion raises a timeless debate that has persisted through generations. Why many people believe in the saying, money can't buy happiness? Others argue that financial security provides freedom, peace of mind, and access to life pleasures, which are essential components of happiness. Indeed, money can pave the way to opportunities and experiences that bring joy and satisfaction. However, the pursuit of wealth must be balanced with other values. As the proverb wisely reminds us, he who is contented is rich. This is another example. I use idioms to write for the general statement. For example, money makes the world go around. It's a popular idiom that captures the long-standing belief that wealth plays a central role in human happiness. While some argue that money can't buy happiness, others maintain that financial stability provides peace of mind, freedom of choice, and access to life's comfort, factors that often make life smoother and more enjoyable. Indeed, money can open doors and pave the way to opportunities that bring fulfillment and satisfaction. However, as the saying goes, too much of anything is good for nothing, and the best things in life are free, reminding us that true happiness does not lie in riches alone, but is seeking a balance between wealth and contentment. This is another example on how to write general statement. Okay, so we have done the general statement. Now we go to specific statement, S or stand. Generally, there are three types of stand or general statements. Either agree, disagree, or partially agree. So you can choose either one as your stand. Okay, this is the example of a thesis statement. If my stand is agree. Okay, if I agree the statement given, so I will write the thesis statement like this. Money is essential for happiness because it not only meets basic necessities, but also empowers individuals to pursue personal goals and enjoy a higher standard of living. So number one, meets basic necessities is the topic sentence number one. That is will be right in body paragraph. Number two, pursue personal goals will write in body paragraph, second paragraph, in body paragraph. And three, enjoy a higher standard of living. This one will be right in body paragraph, third paragraph, in body paragraph. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. This is the topic sentence that you need to continue in body paragraph. So now, this is a complete introductions. That is G plus S plus T, general statement plus specific statement and thesis statement. This is the example of the complete introduction that you need to write in your essay. Okay, they divide into three parts. There is GST. So this is the example that complete. You need to write in a paragraph. That is the first paragraph in the essay. So you can read by yourself. This is the example of the complete introduction. That's all from me. Thank you. It's a complete introduction in extended writing. So I will continue. The next slide is about the body paragraph of the extended writing. See you again. Bye.